Hello everyone! Do you want to know what I got in my doTERRA Loyalty Rewards subscription box this month? If you do, keep watching because in this video I'm going to show you all the products that I got and the exclusive free product that came in this loyalty subscription box. Hi, I'm Mandy Sommers, and for the best essential oil education, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell button so that you're notified every single time I post a brand new essential oil video. If you're interested in adding essential oils and wellness supplements to your wellness collection, but don't want to break the bank, I have a great way of doing this by joining doTERRA's Loyalty Rewards program, where every single month you get a subscription box full of wellness products that you get to choose the amount you want to spend and the type of products you want to receive, and it comes right to your door and you can add a little bit of wellness to your life every single month. I've been using essential oils for 8 years now, and this is the program that I use to build up my oil supply and my knowledge on how to use natural solutions to help empower my family so that we have options. If you stick around till the end, I have a really fun gift to give you that you can download that will help increase your wellness. First of all, this month, doTERRA has a couple exclusive items, and of course I had to max those out because I love doTERRA's new deodorant line, and they added a flavor this month. This is our Citrus Bliss. This is an essential oil infused natural deodorant, and I actually haven't even smelled it yet, so let me open it up. We love the Balance deodorant. I just went to have you smell it and no one's there but the camera. This smells really good. So they also have a Greek Wild Orange deodorant that we love. My husband actually uses the Balance one. I like to use the Greek Wild Orange, but anytime they release a limited time only, I max out my account. And so this month you could buy 4. Here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to keep on hand. All my kids love doTERRA deodorant. It's very soft and gentle on the skin. It does not have the disgusting toxins that a lot of the other brands do, and so we love using that. Now, we also went on a family vacation this summer, and I don't know if it was actually, it was a family vacation. It was just a lot of hard work. We hiked or trekked long days in the Wyoming wind and camped, and it was kind of a pioneer experience. And so we all came home with chapped lips. So I got some of the doTERRA chapstick to go along with it. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Now, I live really close to doTERRA, so it used to be when I lived in California, this would get delivered to my door in a box, and now I go pick them up, and so they're in a bag. Now, every single month, you guys, if you are not taking the Lifelong Vitality Pack, you're missing out. This Lifelong Vitality Pack is amazing. And you know, it's interesting, when I first joined doTERRA, somebody told me this was the #1 reordered product, and I have never been a supplement taker, and so I really struggled to get into the Lifelong Vitality bandwagon until I had my stroke, and I really needed that extra energy. And the Lifelong Vitality Pack does a great job at helping your body produce cofactors or energy to really fuel your body throughout the day. It also really moisturizes your ligaments and joints, and it has all the vitamins and minerals in it that you need for the day. So unless you're getting 9 to 12 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, which I tend to get, you're not getting enough vitamins and minerals, just the bare minimum. So I actually last week had 2 toddlers staying with us while my sister was having twins. She's super mom. And I didn't take my Lifelong Vitality Pack for about 3 days. And by day 3, just because I was busy and I was out of my routine, I was dragging. And so I've really begun to rely on this amazing Lifelong Vitality Pack. It just gives me some really great energy. If a natural energy boost sounds amazing to you, comment yes below. Now, when you order the Lifelong Vitality Pack, you also have the option of customizing it and getting some products at a deep discount. You get 3 additional supplements at a deep discount. I always order the TerraZyme. There we go. So TerraZyme is an enzyme that helps break the food down that you eat so that your bowels and your gut function better. So I actually got 2 of those, and then I got PB Assist. The PB means probiotic. We added that to the Lifelong Vitality Pack. Probiotics are really great for the gut health also, and so that's super important to us. Now I'm getting ready to do the doTERRA 30-day cleanse because I haven't done it in a while. And so I added to my order this month GX Assist, and I will post a link below so you can download the 30-day guide, and it actually has little check boxes that you can check off so that if you want to follow that and do the 30-day detox every single day, you can check off everything that you do. It's awesome. I love it. So I will post that in the link below. Now, as part of the 30-day detox that I'm doing, one of my favorite concoctions is called the Skinny Jeans blend, and it's one that you have to make up yourself. And so I added veggie caps because I'm out. And the Skinny Jeans, it's just an oil blend, is you take pink pepper and black pepper and yarrow palm and two others, turmeric and I believe frankincense. I can post that below as well. And you fill these little capsules, let me open this up for you. You fill these capsules full of 1 drop of each of those. And it just helps boost your metabolism, get your system really functioning at high function. So here's an empty capsule, and you just simply open it up and then you dump the oils in that. That is why I got those veggie caps. If you want me to share the Skinny Jeans recipe, comment Skinny Jeans below so that I know if there's a bunch of you that want it and it's worth posting. I also got some Trim Shake because I love Trim Shake. Great breakfasts. We take DDR Prime on a monthly basis, my husband and I, so that was in our subscription box as well. And because I'm getting ready to do the 30-day detox, I also got some Zendocrine. I love the soap that doTERRA has, and I don't know how I almost ran out, so we got some of the barred soap. And then finally, lastly, the last thing that I got, and this is the free item that we got in our subscription box this month. It's exclusive. You actually cannot buy this. This is Laurel Leaf. Laurel Leaf, it smells so wonderful. I wish you could smell it. You know, last month they did Summer Savory, or in June, and it was totally yucky, but Laurel Leaf actually has a lovely smell to it, and it invites creativity emotionally, and it's just a really great fun oil to have. You know, traditionally the Laurel Leaf was used as a crown for the Olympics, and so it really helps people feel successful and victorious, kind of boost their confidence, along with some other great benefits. So that was the free product that I got with my awesome subscription box. Now not only did I get the free product, but when you are part of the doTERRA loyalty rewards system and you order on a monthly basis, you get to choose what you want to order, how much you want to order, when you want to order, things like that. And so you can order just a small amount or a great amount. I get 30% back in loyalty reward points. So for every $1 that I spend, I get 30 cents in essential oil points back. And so I end up getting, if I spend $130 back to spend on free product. And that's how I get a lot of my products for free. You know, I think it was last month I ended up with like a boatload of free products, and that's how I got those, was just these monthly orders. So this month I ended up getting $60, right around $60 of loyalty reward points from what I purchased. And so I end up getting a deeper discount, even though we get the 25% off for the wholesale membership that anybody who has one gets. I actually end up getting a greater discount because I get a bunch of products for free. So that's what's in my wellness box. I would love to hear if you've got a loyalty rewards subscription box. I'd love to hear in the comments below what you got. And if you don't have one, but you saw something that you want to try, I would love to hear something that intrigued you in the comments below. If you're interested in finding out how to do the 30-day doTERRA cleanse, I've created a download for you with the products that I'll be using and a checklist that you can check off throughout the day as you do this for 30 days. Also, if you want to join my community of essential oil enthusiasts, simply click the link below to be added to my secret oil circle on Facebook, where every single day I upload tips and tricks and videos on how to use essential oils. If you liked this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your fellow essential oil enthusiasts, and I would love you to comment below the word helpful if this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to download my free guide on how to use the doTERRA products to do a 30-day detox. The link is below. And remember, you are amazing. Bye.